Come in, baby girl. Oh, shit. So cute, baby. You know, I love you so much. You're so beautiful, and I got a lot of money. I can help you to travel all over the world if you know what I mean. So, I'm a big rich man. I love you so.
Shit, kung tayo naman radyo mo na ba? Ito kung sa blam slam, naman. Intabi yung just may nabla lang bakong balangle.
Oh, fuck, like that. If I can find someone to translate for me, I don't understand that.
Oh, buat ni si Kavin na. Huwag akong balangle, ba mo iliyo? Eh, monsieur, ça va demander, nous allons parler anglais.
Demoiselle Bamzou, je parle français, je parle espagnol. Que là même, et ça, mais anglais, je ne connais pas même.
Avouez l'âme qui décide mani. Pour me t'arrêter qu'on parle anglais.
Ah, il est monsieur.
So, fuck, what happened? They don't care? So, I don't understand. Yo, boy, come in. I need your help. I need someone to translate for me, please. Come in.
Get. Le sac avec cowboy.
Hi, boy. Hi. So, I need you to translate for me for the girl because I love her. I can't find anyone to translate for me. Could you translate for me, please?
All right.
Okay. Say that to her. I love her very much.
Okay. Blan dim dou comme ça, moi mon appel. Yeah, moi mon appel. Blan, dim dou que moi mon appel.
So, say that to her. I have a lot of money. Money cash.
All right. Blan dio li gen pile l'argent. En pile l'argent.
So, say that to her. If she wants, I can give her 5,000 American dollars for cab. She can go to make sex with me, please.
Blan dio comme ça. La pour $5,000 américains si vous venez la caille moi.
La caillou?
La caille moi.
Bah, pourquoi je me suis traduit là, non? Mandez blanc, moi, est-ce qu'elle est?
Okay. Do you have a big dick?
Of course, very fucking big dick.
Blan dit comme ça, les gars ont vieux petit bagay, petit, c'est moi bon bagay.
Tu l'as écrasé, vous savez, c'est pas capable.